Welcome back to another episode of the Manor Minute. I'm Lydia Gutierrez. Let's check out all that's been keeping us busy here at Manor ISD. Enrollment is officially open. No matter which pathway your scholar is on, there will be a fit for them. STEM, Fine Arts, Early College, and Dual Language are just a few specialized programs that Manor ISD has to offer. Make sure to head over to our website to experience our virtual open house. Here you'll find an inside look at all our unique 18 campuses. Explore the possibilities at Manor ISD and enroll now. It's National Library Week. We want to give a huge thank you to our librarians here at Manor ISD. Thank you for always being a resource for our scholars and for nurturing their love for reading. On Wednesday, Manor Senior High School scholars took part in the U.S. Army Career Fair. Scholars got to hear directly from members of the Army and practice hands-on activities that simulate some of the responsibilities carried out by the Army. Congratulations to Blake Manor Elementary scholars for winning the Average Daily Attendance Cup for the months of February and March for their outstanding campus attendance. Keep up the great work, Bulldogs! Attention seniors, we want to celebrate you entering the next chapter of your lives. On May 12th at the Manor Senior High School Gym is Decision Day. Come and rep your future college or career. Head over to our website to sign up and attend. The second annual Mental Health Fair will be May 18th at Manor Senior High School. This event will help to raise awareness about the importance of mental health by offering self-care classes like yoga, health and wellness resources, music, and you can even enter for a chance to win self-care themed baskets. You won't want to miss it. We'll see you there. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Manor Minute. We'll see you next week.